Hello, welcome to ArrahTechnology. I am going to explain you the features of osDQ open source data quality. The moment you log in, you can see the tables on your left hand side, and if you click on the table, it will expand it to the columns which are inside that tables. And if you click on the column, it will give you the first hand information about the column, like what is the pattern, what is the minimum values, what is the maximum value. Uh, if you want to see those things in a tabular format, you can create a table view. Then it will show you what is the record, what is the distribution, what is the pattern. You can save this also as an image. So primarily, if you look at it, it has features about DB info, which gives you information about the metadata, like a general information. What is the information about the RDBMS, and this supports big data also. So if you connect to a Hive or Splice DB, the same information you will get it here. If you click on the object, it will give you what is the catalogs, how many indexes are there. The data dictionary will create you a dictionary where all the data and the table information will be shared. The search is a fuzzy search where you can search the table names, the column names. Let's do a table name search. So let's see the help relation. I am writing it wrong. Help relation, and so if you see, it does a fuzzy search and it will tell you which all table it has matched with that. Then we have tools where you can get all the information about the tool. The SQL interface will give you the interface where you can type a SQL statement, and you can get all those information here. Then whatever is the outcome, you can save as XML, CSV, PDF. Not only that, you can also do a inline analysis. Like if you go to menu and do analyze selected, it will give you a frequency analysis, variation analysis, percentile, cluster analysis, where you can put the data, like data you want to group into, and then you want to see how the cluster behaves. So this is a cluster. It is a very sparse cluster, but depending on the data type, it will show you different clusters. This check SQL is only, it checks the SQL saying that SQL is right or wrong and how much time it will take. Then we have a diff file which takes two files and find out which all the columns which are not matching. Create format is you can create your own format, and then you can use those formats for regex search, or you can create your own regex and do a regex search. Search DB is, it will scan the complete database. Let's say I just want to search for a number, and it will look into all the databases and then figure it out where this number they have found. So you can see here. Then we have a data quality feature, which primarily gives you all the data quality that you want to run. And on the bottom of it, we have a data preparation features like box plotting, the k-mean. The data source comparison is, it takes different data source. Like if you have a QA database and a production database, it will go and match those both databases, both the metadata and the data, finding out what what is matching, what is not matching. Business rules is where you can create your own business rule, and then you can execute this rule, schedule the rule for a later. Right now it supports only the SQL kind of rule, but you can have all those rules. So once you have table, you right click on that, you have pattern information. Table field information will give you how many columns are empty. Like right now it has all the columns have filled, there is no empty column. It will show you whether you have one empty column or two or n number of empty columns. When you go to analysis, we have different analysis methods, like a number analysis, string analysis. You put your numbers here, and then